Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the AiiA Network app. First, you will like to go into the App Store or Google Play Store. When you're in the store, you'll like to search AiiA Network. From here, you will be prompted to download and then open the app. When you open the app, you'll be asked to sign in. It is important that when you're signing in, you're using the exact email address that you signed up for the event with. From here, you will be asked to enter your access code, which will have been sent to your inbox. Grab the code and paste it into the access code box. Now you will be taken into the AiiA Network app. If you go along the bottom to events, you will be able to see any of the events that you are associated with. When you click into the event, you will be taken to a dashboard where you will have many options. First one, activity. Here you will see any comments or photos that have been taken during the duration of the event. Next, you will be able to see the agenda. From here, you will be able to see all the sessions that are taking place over all the days of the event. If you'd like to learn more about a session, simply click in. Once you are in, you will be able to see the description and speakers of that event. If you are interested in attending a session, be sure to bookmark it so that it shows up in your agenda. When you go back to your dashboard, the next thing you will see is attendees. On this screen, you will see all the attendees that are also using the app. From here, you can connect with your fellow peers. After connecting, you will be turned into a pending notification, and if they accept, you will be able to message. If you go back, you will be able to see speakers. On this screen, you will see all the speakers that are speaking at your event. If you click in, you can also see the session they are a part of. If you are interested in attending that session, make sure to bookmark it. Doing so will have that session also show up in your agenda. Just like speakers, you will be able to see the sponsors of your event. From this screen, you will be able to connect with any solution providers you are looking forward to meeting. When heading out of this screen and back to your home page, you will have two options, notifications or network. By clicking into notifications, you will see any of the notifications that have been sent for the app. This is a great way to stay up to date with everything that's taking place at the event. Under network, you will be able to see any messages that have been sent over the course of the event. By clicking into messages, you can go back and talk to your peers